Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
The second one, you had mentioned melons, and this kind of ties into row cropping and agriculture. Del Monte. I don't know if you've ever bought a cantaloupe. You've seen the Del Monte sticker on it. They pulled out of the Harquahala Valley trying to grow cantaloupe. And do you ever follow what the agriculture is doing to look for opportunities? Like, wow, there's Del Monte, we've got several thousand acres of cantaloupe that aren't going to be produced. That's an opportunity for our Utopia community to pick up that market share.
Exactly, and we look at price spikes. That's kind of what we're looking for. And price spikes will usually happen around market product that is getting too far away. And so cantaloupe's a good example of that. Artichoke is another good example of that. Artichoke is one that there's been a lot of people out of the artichoke industry. I mean, the almonds. So almonds are another one that's like a huge deal that I'm curious what's going to happen in the next 10 years, because almond trees and the almond production, there's a lot of people, most of the California almonds, a lot of those from 2020 started phasing stuff out, and they continue to phase stuff out. And so where's the almond industry going to go? So we're seeing prices, have moved up quite a bit. So we look at those types of things, and that's kind of our market indicator that says that's likely a product, and then we'll jump into it and see, is Del Monte still in? Who's out? And there's a lot more farmers getting out. And that's really concerning. If you think your prices are bad right now with inflation, you're not even close to it on fresh produce especially. And what that means is that things are going to come from further away, and you're going to have more preserving products that are coming from further and further away. And as you get into the preserving industry, those are run by like 4 different companies, and just 4 companies for like the world global food. And it's most of the same services that are also providing your beverages and energy drinks and things like that. So I don't know if you want those guys growing your crops for you. That's not your grandma's garden for sure.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's